friends. So we are back again with our initiative, and that is our daily answer writing. We are doing for the last so many years, and this time with the name of One Day One Answer. So what is the idea is basically to help you to understand the expression skill and to practice around this expression skill, because most of the time you will find that whenever students used to do answer writing, they are simply quantifying the answer writing, daily answer writing, more and more writing. No, you will have to understand expression skill is the key. Expression is output, and that is what the mains is all about. So what we are going to do is we'll pick you can say questions from PYQ. So in One Day One Answer, we are going to cover entire PYQ and themes around you can say daily answer writing, and you may call it that you will be doing daily answer writing through the PYQs, and all the mentors will be you can say evaluating it and give you the feedback, personalized feedback on our Telegram channel. Most of the you can say the things are given in the description box, so just go and see the details, and there you will find how to you can say join these initiatives and connect with the faculties, and how to do and how to write daily answer. And one thing you need to understand, one thing, that answer writing is or otherwise also you will find that expression skill is basically slow. Answer writing is slow. Answer writing is slow. It's a very slow process. It's a very slow process. It takes time. It takes time. And especially the person like me who is involved in the copy correction interaction with the students so much, I understand it. When it comes to the mains, you will find the competition among the competent candidates are very tough, very, very tough. It never appears you can say so easy from, or it may appear easy from the outside, लेकिन competent candidate के बीच में वो competition जो है बहुत tough है, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ information के लिए नहीं है. Mains is not simply about information. Mains is all about you can say perspective and expression. ये दो चीज़ें ही हैं जो आपको एज देती है. इन्फॉर्मेशन तो सबके पास है, जो भी मेंस लिख रहा है उसके पास उस लेवल का प्रिपरेशन होता है जिसके पास इन्फॉर्मेशन है, बट पर्सपेक्टिव एंड एक्सप्रेशन, दीज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट हेल्प्स यू टू टेक एज ओवर द अदर्स. सो इन वन डे one answer, what we are going to do will help you to you can say develop a thought process. More important, the reason is because in answer writing you simply don't vomit the information, you capture your thought process. So I have a question to you, what you do for the thought process? क्योंकि सिर्फ किताब खोल के अंडरलाइन करने से थॉट प्रोसेस तो डेवलप नहीं होगी. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू डेवलपिंग अ थॉट प्रोसेस एंड टू ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट राइटिंग एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट. दिस इज हाउ स्लोली यू शुड कंटिन्यू maintain a consistency. We'll be doing entire PYQ through this you can say initiative. So you will get the entire detail how to join and how to write, how to connect with the faculties and all in the description box. Just go and see the detail and join. Take part in these initiatives. Will help you to you can say improve wherever you think that there are certain gaps. So it's all about One Day One Answer.